I'm giving Gary Comp V59 Bizarre Bub another chance. Oh man, the last two have been so trash.
Reddit user Notel is alone at his aunt's house when something really creepy is caught on camera. Notel writes, "Tell me I'm not the only one who sees it. I'm house sitting for my aunt who is out of town and I'm kind of freaking out right now."
Okay.
This is what he caught.
Don't not buy that.
I don't know if I'm seeing shit or tripping, but check this out.
I'm not buying that.
So this is my aunt's son's room, right? There's no one in here.
About the...
Right. Nothing. Closet.
Real late on the closet bit.
Nothing.
Nah, y'all were just dancing. You snuck right out of the room. I don't know what you were in there for.
Got a nanny camera in here. All right, now tell me, right on the monitor here.
Ugh, here we go.
Tell me that doesn't look like someone standing in the room. Like,
This is the same as the dash cam clip. This is just replay. This is not active, like, streamed video. Like, this is just playback.
I've checked, like, went back and forth 3 times, and
Why would you not just take it to the room? Dumb. I'm over it. Next one. Oh, does he have more? Does he have other ones?
Lying on the table.
No, we're just explaining this stupid video that he made? Okay. Okay, number 4. I'm not in the mood for it today, Bizarre Bub.
Emily takes a trip to a theme park and encounters something pretty terrifying.
Get rid of that one.
On June 2nd of 20...
Okay. That never
to a theme
happens.
park and encounters something pretty terrifying. On June 2nd of 2022, Noor Ifrina Rosni had joined her husband and son at a Malaysian theme park located in the state of Johor.
Ooh, that looks fun though.
During the time she was there, Rosni recorded every moment of the trip. The camera's attention was mainly focused on Mohammed, her son. Not much else stands out in the video except her child. That is, until later in the trip, when Mohammed is seen on a ride without his parents. It's this video in particular that has left viewers unsettled. I'll play the clip first before showing what exactly was captured. That being said, see if you can spot anything unusual about the video.
Didn't have to explain all that, but okay.
Now, in case you missed it, if you pay close attention to the passenger next to Mohammed, you'll notice that as soon as the cart spins around the coaster and comes back to the camera, the passenger is no longer there. The child that was right next to him disappears.
Okay. Okay, that's actually not bad. How'd you do that?
Mohammed's mother immediately noticed the missing boy after the second spin. Now, as some viewers have commented, it could be that the child had hid below the seat when the cart
was about to say
was out of sight. But if we pause the video at a certain point,
I was gonna say you could kind of verify that.
You can see from a certain angle that no one was hiding underneath.
Can you? Well, not underneath, but just like, no, there's no room. You couldn't hide there.
To make things even more creepy, when Mohammed's mother asked him about the boy he was riding with, he seemed to ignore the question, as if he didn't know what she was talking about.
Okay, I don't know about that though.
If he didn't know that someone else was riding with him, then what exactly was caught on camera? Could it be that something paranormal was caught? Or was something else
I don't know, dude. That one's just crazy. Like, I wouldn't know how to explain that. But there ain't no way that kid just disappeared in one rotation. I can say that. I mean, that's not even like a ghost thing or anything. That's like an illusion. All right, whatever. That one was okay. I'll like it for that one.
He finds an abandoned house sitting on top. He proceeds to check out the place, feeling a bit scared, as he can't help
I think I've seen this
but
one.
feel an ominous vibe surrounding the property. Little does he know that
Yeah, the guy on the bike. Yeah, we've seen this one. No problem. I think we've seen this one twice, actually. It's a good video, so I get it. All right.
video was posted on a YouTube channel which only has one video. The video in question is the one you're seeing. However, there's something very odd about this footage. This video was posted 14 years ago, and still, to this day, people can't seem to explain it. Right from the start,
We'll see. Give me a minute.
we can see what appears to be a group of friends hanging out inside a room. Not much happens at the start of the video, but when one of them plays a guitar and another begins to sing, something pretty creepy is captured.
This kind of feels like a project.
This is what was caught.
Κλικ χορδί. Κλικ μία χορδί. Δεν πειράζει, πάρε ένα
Άρα να παίξουμε ένα μαλακιά.
Για πείτε.
Παίξουμε ένα τραγούδι του δρόμου.
Ένα τραγούδι του δρόμου.
Εκεί. 1, 2, 3, go.
Έλα ρε μαλάκα, πάμε.
What am I looking for? Okay. No, I saw it. I don't know, dude. That's kind of odd. I don't know. Is it just like a... I mean, that's kind of unmistakable, no? I don't even know if you could... It could be editing, obviously. I don't know if it is, though. I mean, dude's a good singer, though. We'll give him that. I have no idea on that one. Genuinely couldn't tell you. It doesn't even seem like a reflection. And it kind of moves. Unless somebody was out there, but otherwise, that is a very good video. I couldn't tell you. And I do not need him to break down the shadow. Hello.
And does something that has left its parents completely disturbed. This footage was taken in the middle of the night when all of a sudden...
Bro, what is going on today? This never
completely
needs to buffer. This ain't 2012.
Disturbed. This footage was taken in the middle of the night when all of a sudden this happens.
Oh no. Nah, this is fake. This is 100% fake. Dude, there's no way this is real. Ain't nobody coming in? Ain't nobody coming to get him?
Somehow, the child maintains a perfect balance as it reaches out towards something. Viewers...
Nah, this is like for a movie or some shit. I bet his name ain't even Connor. Full of lies. I don't like it. I don't like it. It was a good video though, altogether. It was better than the last two.